I wasn't sure whether or not to do this video because it's not actually tech, is it? But as I've already made 2 of them, I thought I would make a 3rd one. Yeah, I've already bought 2 of these. This has been number 3. And it's quite easy to do, and I thought I could show people how easy it is to do, because there might be people out there a little bit worried about whether or not to buy this and make it. Yes, it is quite easy to do, so no need to panic. It takes me less than half an hour to actually do, except for this one because I'm making a video, so it's going to take me a little bit longer. So with that, let's get on with it. So this costs around about £60. It's actually dead on £60. The actual unit itself, this little baby here, and the inserts, these little things here, I've got, I think they're like a really dark blue. I bought 8 of these. It cost £6 each, and that's £48. So they're going to go in, and also I'm not going to be having to stand up like that. I'm actually going to turn it. Like I said, I've already made 2 of these. I've made one for the bedroom upstairs, and I've made one for in this room, which is over there, and I'll show you that, you know, right now. What do you think? It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'm pleased with it. I'm going to take some of them inserts out and swap them with some of my new ones. So I'm mixing the colours up a little bit and putting some of them blue ones into my new one and some of the new ones into that one, if that makes sense. So with that, let's get on with the unboxing and the assembly. That is the instructions. That is all you need, right? And that is everything I'm going to be using right now, and finishing off with these. These are just stick on to go over the top of the screws or the screw head to make it look pretty. That's all they do, or that's all that does. Just sits over there and, oh yeah, that's clever, hides it. So first things first, you need to inspect every part, which I've just done. Checked every part, make sure there's no damage to anything, because I've actually had one that was damaged, and they refunded me, which was good. So yeah, so everything is here as far as I can see. I'm not going to count the parts. What I'm going to do now is, it comes with a little Allen key. I'm going to use a bit rather than use that, so I'm going to quickly go and get one of them, and then I'm going to start building it. Right, so we don't need them. Right, make sure you have a quick read of the instructions, because they are very helpful, and they're all numbered. And if you're looking for the numbered parts, they're on the ends. So that's number 5. Well, these are all number 5s, these ones here. So we have 4 number 5s. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want 2 number 3s and 1 number 4, which should be these. So that's a number 3, that's a number 4, and number 3. So we're going to start with the number 3s. The only thing I didn't like was putting the dowels in, because they're not quite long enough for the holes that they've made. And I'm going to show you what I mean right now. So, one in there, one in there. So put that in. So that's most of that dowel gone. To me, they should have made it a bit longer. Or you've got to pull them out a little bit. Right, that's the first bit done. I know what you're thinking, where's the glue? It doesn't come with any glue to fix the dowels into place. That is how it comes, without the glue. And you don't need the glue. Once you put all the sides in, it will hold in place. Trust me, I've built two already. I'm just reading the instructions sometimes, just to make sure I'm still going the right way, because it was a while when I built them. Right, for me, I prefer to stand up at this point because I find it easier to put the last bit on. It's just easier and it stops your back aching when you're doing all that bending. Don't worry if your middle falls out, you can just pop it straight back in, it's not a problem. There you go. And you should end up with one spare dowel. I've got two. You normally get one. And the final bit. And that is it. See, that is going nowhere. But if you're unsure, then you need to fix the fixing brackets. These little babies here come with two of these little L shapes, and you can just bolt it to a wall. I'm not going to be doing that because I'm going to put it in this direction, like so, like that. So it's going to sit like that, and that's even more sturdier. Not only that, but you can actually put things on top of it as well. So the next stage is is this little baby here, or these little circles. Come with these little circles to cover up your screws. See that? Which I thought, that's a good idea. The only thing I don't like about this build is it doesn't come with any glue. And when I first done it, I thought, where's the glue then? Do I need to put glue in? But you don't. Which is a good thing and a bad thing. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you should have glue or not. Right, now time for these. I've got 8 of these. I am going to swap some colours about, but before I do that, I'm just going to put them all in, just show you what they actually look like. So when using a knife, be careful you don't cut through the material. You only want to cut off the plastic. I'm going to show you how easy these are to put up, and they are really easy. Right, that is it. All I've got to do now is move it over there and tidy that area up and put all the stuff that's going inside in there and put some stuff on top, because some of my stuff is too big to go inside, so it's going to sit on top. But that is basically it. So like I said, all I've got to do now is move it over there. I'm going to swap 4 of them black ones out. Are they black? Yeah, they are black. 4 of them black ones out and swap them with blue ones. So I'm going to have a bit of a mix match. So four blues, 4 blacks. And yeah, I think it's really good. Let me know in the comments what you think. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a little video showing you right at the very end what these 2 units look like when they're completely finished and in their places. Alright, so with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, that's good.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.